Alright y'all, welcome back to another one. I'm your boy Cam. We are out here doing some surf fishing, and at the moment we are just looking for some sand crabs, and we're going to use that as bait. Alright, you can see we got some chunky guys here. Those ones back. All right, so I'm taking my hook and I'm just pressing this straight down through the top of the crab and out through the bottom. And that's it, just like that. All right, let's get it. We're fishing a Carolina rig with 30-pound braid as my main line, and I'm using 10-pound fluorocarbon leader, about 2.5 feet of it, tied off to a size 4 mosquito hook. Yeah, there's a nice little hole right here in front of me that should be holding fish. There we go. All right. Yeah, we're on a fish. It's a small one. It's making a hard run. That's for sure. All right. All right. He's got some fight in him. Oh, I lost him. Alright. Alright, let's pin another one on. That was fun.
Perfect.
Oh yeah, that's a big fish. That's a big fish. Oh, Jesus. Holy Oh yeah, we're on something big. Something strong. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, this might be a leopard shark. Holy shit. Oh, or drag. Yeah, but I think we got it hooked pretty good. Oh shit. Oh shit. This ain't gonna be easy. Oh, this is a strong fish. It's gotta be a leopard. Oh. Holy shit. We are hooked into something strong. What is it? It might be a big ray. Oh, it's a guitarfish. Yeah, yep. Oh, this ought to be interesting. It's a big guitarfish. Yep. Whew. Jesus. We're fishing 30-pound braid and 10-pound fluorocarbon leader. All right. Wow. It's a shovel-nosed guitarfish. Wow. Whew. That was a fight.
Is that a stingray or?
It's a shovel-nosed guitarfish. Wow. That was fun. Woo! Let's get the hook out of your mouth. Wow. Small little mosquito hook. Hooked this guy just good enough. That was fun. 35 inches. Shovel nose. Shoo! Wow. Look at that. Alright, buddy. There he goes. Shoo! That was epic. That's a new species for me. A couple more casts.
Perfect.
Oh, yep. Oh, we're on another one. Oh, yeah. Spot pin, maybe. Oh no, that is. Oh yeah, it's a nice croaker. Wow, these guys fight hard. All right, calm down, buddy. Ooh, wow, that is a pretty fish. Yeah, you know what? I think this is just a really chunky yellowfin croaker. That's awesome. Oh, see you later. A thick boy, yellowfin croaker, and a shovel-nosed guitarfish. Penn Battle 3 4000 series reel. And a good old ugly stick GX2. 6.6 baby. Short rods need love too. Oh, yep, we're on one. We're on one, baby. Yeah. We're on another one. We're on another one. Another yellowfin croaker. Wow. Yep. If I weren't so picky right now, I'd be eating these. Because they are seriously delicious. Alright, bud. Back to sea you go. There he goes. Wow. Alright. I think we've had our fun for the day. Phew! That was fun.